What's up guys, welcome once again to my channel. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing, like the video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to watch my videos. So guys, today is a beautiful day here in Uganda, and we are in the capital city of Kampala. Yes, in the capital city Kampala. This is the capital city of Uganda, one of the biggest city in East Africa. So guys, today I've decided just to talk about the big project that is going on here in Uganda. It's a really big project. It's called Kampala Flyover project. Kampala Flyover Road project is an infrastructure improvement in the central division of Kampala. It is estimated to have a length of 3.5 kilometers. The Flyover Road project aims to improve the traffic for non-motorized transportation. It is also aims to enhancing interfacing roads and junctions. With the Kampala city traffic on steady rise and steering the exciting road capacity, the Kampala Flyover project hopes to ease the city heavy vehicle and pedestrian gridlock. Lots 1 of the project include the following: 3 pedestrian bridges, a new clock tower square, junction improvement in 5 locations, general road widening and improvements, tower flyover, 4-lane Zambia underpass, and a new modern clock. This is gonna be an amazing project to Uganda and Kampala in general. Yes, so this is a really big project in Uganda. One of the projects that is going on is still in the construction, but it's really a big project, and it's gonna be a project that's gonna take Kampala to another level. So roads are really something that helps the city to grow and helps the movement within the city. So Kampala to have this flyover is gonna be a big achievement to people of Uganda, and a big achievement to Ugandans to have this flyover. It's going to reduce the traffic at this place. This is one of the places that have a lot of traffic here in Kampala, so it's going to reduce the traffic, and then it's going to be really good.